Hello kids! How are you today? I hope you're doing great. Welcome to my virtual classroom. This is your teacher in science, Arlene Kaputulan. Our subject for today is Science 6. We are now in Quarter 1, Module 1, and the topic is about mixing is fun. Please get ready with your module. And before we go further, I would like to acknowledge all the collaborative effort of the people behind the development of this module. This module is divided into two lessons, namely Lesson 1, Mixtures Around Us, and Lesson 2, Types of Mixture. Pero this time, lesson 1 lang usa atong itakel. Separate ang lesson 2. Kay taas naman siya para masabtan jud ninyo. Okay, the competency. After going through this module, you are expected to number 1, define mixtures. Number 2, identify the two major types of mixtures. 3, differentiate homogeneous mixture from heterogeneous mixture. Number 4, give examples of homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. Number 5, describe solution, colloid, and suspension. And number 6, identify household things and food preparation that involve mixtures. Okay, what is mixture? I have here a simple meaning about mixture. It is a combination of two or more substances. Okay, in your module, what I know, try to look at it. So the direction for it is choose the letter of the best answer. Write the chosen letter on a separate sheet of paper. This type of mixture has a uniform appearance all throughout. Its components are not recognizable and are evenly mixed. A. Heterogeneous. B. Homogeneous. C. Solid in liquid. And letter D. Solid in gas. What do you think is the right answer for this question? Correct answer is letter B. Homogeneous, because the mixture of homogeneous is uniform. Dili nimo siya makita kung magsagol na sila. You can hardly identify pag ma-mix na silang o duha ba or tulo ba ka substances. Okay, number 2. This type of mixture has components that do not blend all throughout. It consists of visibly different substances or phases. Letter A, heterogeneous. B, homogeneous. C, solid in liquid. And D, solid in gas. Correct answer is heterogeneous. Okay, they blend all throughout. So, masin o i-mix nimo silang tanan substances like you have 3 or more substances, pag ma-mix na silang tanan, still makita pa rin nimo kung unsa to siya klase nga substance. So, mao na heterogeneous ang answer. Let's go to number 3. In a homogeneous mixture, the components are, remember the word homogeneous. A, uniform. Oh no, A, non-uniform. B, observable. C, recognizable. And D, unrecognizable. Okay, ano may answer dere? Okay, unrecognizable. Sama sa kong giingon, dili nimo makita or you can hardly determine kung unsa nga klase nga substance pag mahalo na sila. So, unrecognizable. Number 4. In a heterogeneous mixture, the different components are A. Unified, B. Uniform, C. Recognizable, D. Unrecognizable. So, heterogeneous mixture. Correct answer for this is recognizable. Okay. Kanina, unrecognizable man ang homogeneous, si heterogeneous mixture pod kay recognizable. Kay maklaro man nimo kung unsa tong mga substances nga imuhang gipang mix. Okay, number 5. Terence mixed peanuts, green peas, and pili nuts in a small glass jar. Which of the statement is true about the mixture produced? So, gihalo niya ang peanuts, the green peas, and pili nuts sa isa ka gamay nga glass jar. Okay. Sakay answer ani. Letter A. The mixture is homogeneous. B. The mixture is heterogeneous. C. The components of the mixture are unrecognizable. And letter D. The components of the mixture cannot be seen easily. Okay? Answer for this is the mixture is heterogeneous. Kaya maskin ihalo nimo na si peanut, green peas ug pili, but still makita gyapon nimo kung asa dito si green peas, asa si pili o si peanuts. Okay, that is heterogeneous. Makita nimo sila. Oh, you can easily recognize. Okay, number 6. What can you infer when you try to make salt and oil? Kaya pag itry daw nimo siya o halo ang asin o ang oil, unsa kaya ang pwedeng resultahan, no? Okay, letter A. The oil and the salt mix well together. B. The salt can dissolve a little bit of the oil. C. The salt sinks into the bottom of the mixture. And letter D. The oil instantly dissolves the salt in the mixture. Okay, right answer is the salt sinks into the bottom of the mixture. Moadto sa ilalom ang salt, then of course, sa ibabaw pod ang oil. Number 7. Which of the following is not an example of a heterogeneous mixture? A. Halo-halo. B. Milk and nuts. C. Sand and pebbles. D. Water and soy sauce. Heterogeneous mixture. Answer is vinegar and soy sauce. Okay, so let us emphasize that the question is not an example of a heterogeneous mixture. Tanan ni sila diri naalay isa nga dili siya heterogeneous. Tanan siya kaning uban diri kay heterogeneous na ay dili heterogeneous. So the answer for this is vinegar and soy sauce. Okay, number 8. Which of the following is an example of a homogeneous mixture? A. Alcohol, B. Blood, C. Detergent, and D. Salad. Correct answer is alcohol. Next, number 9. What conclusion can you draw if vinegar is mixed in soy sauce vinegar blanc? A. It's seen on top of the soy sauce. B. Is evenly mixed in the soy sauce. C. Is dissolved in soy sauce. And D. Settles in soy sauce. Answer is evenly mixed in soy sauce. Number 10. Which of the following mixtures are used for food consumption? A. Lotion, shampoo, toothpaste. B. Ice cream, noodles, paracetamol. C. Paracetamol, muriatic acid, and soap. D. Halo-halo ice cream and sandwiches. Okay, it's very obvious that the food consumption na pwede na ito makaon is the halo-halo ice cream and sandwiches. Kaya ang uban diri nga mga choices kay dili siya makaon na sa mantambal, pang pangkuan, limpyo. So, halo-halo ice cream and sandwiches. Okay. So, let's go to, this is now lesson 1, mixture around us. Okay, kakita na ba mo ani or nakatilaw na mo aning picture diri It's very delicious. This is what we call halo-halo. Okay, in making the halo-halo, most of the materials around us are composed of mixture. Some of the food we are taking are actually examples of mixture. One of the famous delicacies you are fond of eating, especially during summertime, is halo-halo, which means mixture. O halo-halo, mix nimo. So this Filipino dessert is a combination of different kinds of food such as number one, jackfruit, kanang nangka, no? Namikay siya humot, leche flan, different kinds of beans, na ay obe, na tadikoko, na apoy ice cream, and other. Okay, this is the ingredients of the halo-halo. Very delicious. Okay, why do we have to study this? This is because we deal with all kinds of mixture every day. We will further investigate mixture through different experimentation presented in this or in your module. Okay. So, in your module, what's in? Before we proceed with the discussion about mixture, let us have a review about the past lesson. The review is related to the different examples of mixtures that you will encounter in this module. So the topics are taken from the lesson about the physical states of matter. This will allow you to find connection between your existing knowledge to the concepts you will learn. Okay, are you ready now, kids? So let us begin. Okay, draw on the space provided the smiley face if the statement is correct, and sad face if not. If the statement is incorrect, change the underlined word that makes it erroneous. Then write the correct answer on the blank provided. Do your best and good luck. So, inyong i-draw ang smiley face kung ang statement tama. Kung sad face po inyong i-draw kung dili tama ang statement. So, kung ang statement is mali, i-correct ninyo siya based on the underlined word. Okay, mali man to siya. So, i-correct ninyo siya na apoy gi-provide na blank dito para dito ninyo isulat ang corrected na word. Okay, number 1. Okay, true or false? Solids have definite volume and shape because molecules are packed closely together. The answer is true. So, dili na ninyo, pwede na ninyo dili isulat ang sulatan diri ang blank kay true naman ang answer. Ang sulatan lang nara sa blank, correct ninyo kay kanang false nga answer. Okay, the answer for this question number 1 is true. Okay, ang solids kay naa jud na siya definite shape and volume. Kay ang molecules ana kanang ano sila dikit-dikit packed closely together. Okay? So number 2. Gases have no definite shape and volume. Is the answer. Okay, true. Napod siya shape, pod, and volume. Of course. Number 3. Blank liquids have definite shape but no definite shape and takes the shape of the container. Answer for this is true. Okay, no need na to put answer on the second blank. Okay, number 4. The force between the molecules of liquid is weak. Right? Answer for this is false. So, kay false man atong answer, then the underlined word here is liquid. So, we're going to correct because the liquid is mali siya. The force between the molecules of liquid is weak. So, mali ng liquid. So, the answer is gas. So, kanani na, the force between the molecules of gas is weak. So, weak siya kay murag ang molecules aning gas kay kuan siya lagyo. Lagyo siya. Okay. Let's go to number 5. True or false again. In liquids, molecules are loosely packed and have spaces in between. Okay, the answer is true. Number 6. The forces in molecules of liquid are not as strong as solid. Okay, true is the answer. And number 7, the movement of liquid is very limited, or they only vibrate back and forth, which is why they have definite shape and volume. Answer is false. So what is the underlined word liquid? So the movement of liquids, mali siya, no, is very limited. So the correct answer is not liquid, but it is solid. The movement of solid. Number 8. Okay. Blank is the molecules of gas are slightly apart from each other, so they flow freely. Underlined word is gas. So it is the right, it is true or false. Answer is false. The molecules, the underlined word is gas. The molecules of gas are slightly apart from each other. So, it is mali, false. Kaya correct answer for that is liquid. The molecules of liquid are slightly apart from each other. So, they flow freely. Pag iwad na to sila kay mo flow lang siya. So, ang gas na siya mo flow. Ang liquid naman. Okay, let's go to number 9. True or false again. So, blank, the molecules of solid can roll, glide, and take the shape of the container. Answer is false because the underlined word here is solid. So, the right answer is i-change na to ang solid into liquid. The molecules of liquid can roll, glide, and take the shape of the container. Number 10. The force that holds the molecules of solid is very strong. Correct answer is true. You need to write already the answer on the second space provided. Okay. So, what's new? What's new? Tanawa inyong module dira sa what's new. Okay, it's experiment time. So, the title of our experiment this time is Mix It Up. What are the materials needed for this experiment? We have here soy sauce. Sama ng soy sauce. Nakita na ninyo sa inyong kanang kusina. Toyo na siya, toyo, soy sauce. Gamit ni siya sa usawan. Okay, we have also here sugar. Okay, sugar no, every morning, timpla tag kape, butangan na itong sugar. Okay, next is oil. Magprito ta, we need also oil. So, cooking oil. To be specific, cooking oil. We also need pebbles, katong gagmay nga mga bato nga makita ninyo sa inyong sa ground. Then, we have also here mga balas or sand. Kita naman dyan mo mga balas.
Then we have also water. Everyday ninyo ni ginainom. Water. And also we have here vinegar. We put sausaw. And uh, uh, you also need 4 transparent glass. So these are the things that we are going to or needed in this experiment time. Okay, so may buhaton na to ani mga materials karon diri. Okay. So procedure. Number 1 procedure, using a marker, label the 4 transparent containers as A, B, C, and D. So naaman tay upat ka containers no, 1, 2, 3, 4. So sa upat ka containers, butangan ninyo siya o A, B, C, and D para may balaan nato. Okay. You label here A, B, C, and D. Okay. Muna ang first procedure. Okay, let's go to the second procedure. In container A, put 1 cup of sand and 1 cup of pebbles. Mix and observe. Pero pwede siguro dili na 1 cup, half lang siguro kay isa man to ka cup, so kung half, kung isa-isa sa cup, so duha na ka cups tanan, so mangitan ang butag laing sundanan. So half cup na lang ang inyong isulod sa sand, ug half pud sa katong mga bato nga gagmay, then mix dayon na ninyo niya. Observe what happened. No? Okay. In container A, isulod ninyo din na ang half cup lang siguro siya sa sand o balas, kunya half cup po siya sa gagmay nga mga bato or pebbles. Isulod ninyo diri sa kuan, diri sa container, isulod ninyo silang duha, tapos isagol, ihalo, kanang i-shake-shake siguro, or kuan ninyo sa inyong kamot para mag-mix together sila. Okay. Then, let's go to number 3 procedure. In container B, put 1 spoonful vinegar and 1 spoonful soy sauce. Isa lang siya ka kutsara sa vinegar ug isa pa pud ka kutsara sa soy sauce. Stir and observe what will happen. So, inyo ha siyang kutawon. Pwede nyo kutawon o kutsara. So, ibutang ninyo dira sa container B ang isa ka kutsara nga soy sauce o isa pa pud ka kutsara nga vinegar. Then, isulod niyo diri sa container or sa transparent na cup. Dayon, haluon ninyo silang duha. Ihalo ninyo. Dayon, observe what will happen. Then, set aside kay tato na siya balikan unya. Okay, number 4 procedure. In container C, put 1 tablespoonful of sugar and 1 cup of water. Stir and observe what will happen. Okay, sa container C ninyo, butangan nimo og isa pud ka kutsara nga sugar. Dayon, ang cup kay butangan ninyo isa ka baso nga tubig. Ihalo ninyo siya. Tapos, inyo gyapong kutawon para matunaw ang sugar sa tubig. Okay, kutawon ninyo then observe what will happen. Okay, number 5 procedure. In container D, put 1 spoonful of cooking oil and 1 spoonful of water. Stir and observe what will happen. Okay, nanata sa container D. Unsa man atong ibutang dara sa container D according to the procedure, isulat nato ibutang nat magkuha ka og kanang kutsara, tapos kanang gamay ay magkuha ka dira gamay nga oil or isa kutsara na lang nga oil, isulod nimo diha sa baso container D. Tapos butangan pud nimo og isa ka baso nga tubig. Dayon, observe what happens. Steer po gyapon inyuhang kutawon. Then observe what will happen. Okay. So, you are going now to fill out the table below. So, mauni siya ang table kaganina. Results na ni siya and observation. So, we have 4 containers, A, B, C, D. Name of substance. Unsa tong mga substance nga gigamit nato or materials nga gigamit nato during our experiment. Tapos, state of matter. There are 3 or unsa man tong mga state of matter nga itong nastudihan kaganina. We have the liquid, gas, and solid. Okay. Unsang na form? What was form? Changes observed when mixed. Okay. Sige, diri ansira na nato ni. Dayon, i-check ninyo kung tama ang inyong mga answer ha. Tapos, kamo na mag-answer sa inyo, but be honest pag-answer ninyo, children. Okay, pag-check, i-check po ninyo inyong papel. Okay, sa name of substance, sa letter A nga container, unsa mato atong gibutang ganina? Okay, nagbutang taog, remember, nagbutang tagbalas or sand, and katong mga gagmay nga bato, pebbles. Okay, mao to siya sa container A. Unsa man ang state of matter niya? Dili pa butangan sa din nato tanan og substance na. So sa B, container B, unsay gibutang nato dito? Vinegar, nagbutang punta og soy sauce. Then sa container B, ang atong gibutang kay sugar ug water. And sa container D, oil and water. Okay. So, dirita sa container A, unsa ang state of matter niya? Okay. Ang sand kay solid na siya, children. Dayon ang pebbles kay solid gihapon. Vinegar is liquid. Soy sauce is also liquid. And sugar is solid. Water is liquid. Oil is liquid. And water, of course, is liquid. Okay, during sa atong experiment, unsa ang na-form? Letter A sa sand and pebbles. Ang na-form niya kay solid gihapon. Kay gi-combine man nimo anong solid, so solid ang nakalabasan. Dayon sa vinegar ug soy sauce kay liquid, of course, mga liquid man sila. Letter C, sugar and water, so liquid. Kay more on water siya, so natunaw man ang sugar, so nahimo siya og liquid. Letter D, oil and water is also liquid. So what are the changes observed when you mix the substances A, B, C, and D? So sa letter A, katong sand and pebbles, ang na-observe nato dito kay it formed a mixture of sand and pebbles. So, na-form siya og mixture. So, kay naghalo man siya, gihalo man ninyo, mixture of sand and pebbles ang ninggawas dito. Ang changes. So, nahalo-halo na ang katong bato ug ang balas. So, sa container B, vinegar and soy sauce, you cannot identify soy sauce from vinegar. So, kay gihalo man ninyo sa inyong duha dito sa container B, makita pa ba ninyo kung unsa ang asa dito ang vinegar o asa dito ang soy sauce? So, dili na ninyo ito ma-identify kay halo na silang duha. So, let's go to container C, sugar and water. Atong observe dito kay the sugar was completely dissolved in water. O, dili na nimo makita ang granules sa sugar kay nahalo na siya completely sa water. Na-mix na yun siya maayo. So, completely dissolved in water. So, letter D, oil and water. So, sa ato ang experiment, unsa ang na-observe, it formed 2 layers of oil and water. Kaya nakita nato dito sa oil and water, if na mag-mix na silang duha, kay mulutaw ng oil. So, paglutaw sa oil, sa ibabaw kay oil niya, sa ilalong water, mag-form na siya og duha ka layers sa oil and water, but naa sa ibabaw ang oil, mulutaw dyan na always ang oil. Okay, so sa inyuhang module, tanawa ang what is it. Okay, dari na ta. A mixture is a combination. Mo na ni siya ang explanation, children, sa mixture. A mixture is a combination of two or more substances that are not chemically combined. So, a mixture na siya sa duha or daghan na mga substances. A mixture can come in any form. It may be solid, liquid, or in gaseous form. What are the types of mixture? For you to understand better the types of mixtures, the graphic organizer below summarizes the classification of mixture from where it is originates. Okay, tanaw na to na children. Okay, daara. So, diara sa ibabaw, mo ni siya ang graphic organizer. Matter ang pinakauna diriya, tapos natay state of matters, the solid, liquid, and gas. Tapos kaning matter, gibahin ni siya into two, the pure substances and of course the mixtures. Diri sa pure substances, constant composition. Tapos diri sa mixture, varied composition. In pure substances, gibahin na pud siya sa ikaduha, the elements and the compounds. But here in mixtures, it divided into two again, the heterogeneous mixtures. Mauni siya ang atong lection karon, the heterogeneous mixtures and the homogeneous mixtures. So, kani siya homogeneous na ini siya, children. Heterogeneous sa pikas, kani siya homogeneous. Okay, correct lang po. So, diri under sa kuan sa homogeneous kay naa siya kanang sa ilalom niya na solusyon, no? Then there is heterogeneous kay suspension and colloid. So may studihan matakil na to ni siya unya as we go on with our lesson, suspension and colloid. Okay, let's proceed. In the homogeneous mixture, sama ni siya, its components are not recognizable and are evenly mixed. So, dili na to na siya maklaro kung ma-mix na siya sa with the other substances. The prefix homo indicates sameness. So, mahimo na siya isa. A sugar solution is an example of homogeneous. Based on our experiment kaganina, gihalo na to ang sugar o ang water, no? So, nahimo na siya, ang tawag na adto kay di naman to makita ang sugar paghalo-halo na to sa water. So, nahimo na siya og homogeneous. Since only a colorless liquid is observed. When sugar is mixed with water, you cannot recognize the sugar from the water because it blended throughout. So, ang tawag adto na nga mixture is homogeneous mixture. So, ang water of ang sugar. Daghan pa kay example sa homogeneous. Okay. Homogeneous mixture. Another example is soy sauce mixed with vinegar. So, sa ato ang experiment, maghalo nato sa soy sauce o vinegar, we cannot identify already the vinegar which asa dito ang vinegar o asa dito ang soy sauce. When these two substances are mixed together, you cannot identify its components. These are additional examples of homogeneous mixtures. One siya mga example, children. Vinegar and soy sauce. If we are going to mix it together, sugar and water, salt and water, water and alcohol, salt and sugar. So, pag i-combine nato ni sila, kaning duha, kaning sila, dili na nato sila makita kung asa na diha ang kuan, ang substance yun, substance sa salt, substance sa sugar. Kay, mix evenly naman sila. Okay? Kaning salt, siguro katong salt na iodized salt, kay gagmay, the same with sugar nga white kung ato nang ihalo sila kay you cannot identify which is salt and which is sugar. Okay? So, kailan ba mo ani children? Mo ni siya ang 3-in-1 coffee. Ang 3-in-1 coffee children everyday, di ba mag-inom ta ani no? Or ang atong mama papa mag-inom ani lola lolo. Kamo dili pa mo pwede mag-inom sa 3-in-1 coffee kay milk pa man inyo ha. So 3-in-1 coffee, mo ni siya example children sa homogeneous mixture with the following components. Unsa ang naa sa 3-in-1 coffee? Nga pag i-mix nimo ni sila kay dili na nimo ma-identify kung asa na ang substance or unsa didto nga inyong halo. Number 1 of course is pure coffee. No? Then sugar, natay water or natay creamer. So mo na siya composition sa 3-in-1 coffee. But atuan na siyang gibutang dito sa isa ka cup nga naay tubig nga init. Ma-identify ba nimo kung asa dira si pure coffee, si sugar, ug ang creamer? So, dili na siya ma-identify. So, mao na siya gitawag og homogeneous mixture. No? Dili na gyud nimo makita kay nahalo naman sila, uniformly mixed na gyud sila. So, hinumdumi children, homogeneous mixture, uniform. So, pareho na sila tanan. Di na nimo makita si creamer, si sugar, o si pure coffee. Okay. Muna siya example sa homogeneous mixture. Okay, let's go now to heterogeneous mixture. Ang heterogeneous mixture, its components are recognizable and the faces of or substances are all visible. So, maskin pag isagol na nimong 5 diha ka substances, but still you can easily identify it. Makita pa nimo gihapon ug asa na siya. Its composition does not blend throughout. The prefix hetero means different. A freshly squeezed orange juice is an example of heterogeneous mixture, consists of juice and pulp. Katong iyahang pulp, katong iyang murag sapal-sapal gud sa juice. The pulp component floats in a juice component. So, pag mag-mix ka og orange sa butang nimo sa tubig, di ba usually maglutaw man jud ng murag sapal gani niya, sa ba na siya tawag, kanang pulp sa juice, mulutaw na siya sa tubig. So, identify gyapon nimo. Another example is pinakbet. So, it's very lamig kay na pinakbet, no? The famous Filipino viand is not uniformly distributed throughout. It consists of recognizable ingredients of ang ingredients sa pinakbet. Kung magluto ka no, magluto si nanay pinakbet. Ang ingredients dara kay squash, na eggplant, na dara ay eggplant dara, na green beans, na ay bitter melon, o ang other pa. Kanang kuan ni siya ang palaya, bitter melon, palaya. So pag ihalo nimo na sila, still makita, maklaro gyapon ninyo no asa tong squash, eggplant, katong ampalaya o katong string beans, katong batong. So, kay ano man, makita gyapon nimo maskin sa pinakbet nga ingredients, makita lang gyapon nimo tong mga ingredients nga ipambutang. So, unsa siya nga klase nga mixture? Mao to siyang gitawag og heterogeneous mixture. Kaya ayaw mo kalibog lang sa okay, sa heterogeneous mixture, these are additional example of heterogeneous mixture. Kasi ito experiment kagini ganina na atoy mga sand and pebbles katong gagmayng bato og sand. Kung i-mix nato silang duha, still makita gyapon nato kung asa si pebbles ug asa pud ang balas sand. Okay, ang tawag sa mixture dito kay heterogeneous mixture. If we are going to mix all together the marbles and the pebbles, kanang marbles kanang julin nga julin or hulin kanang ginadulaan ninyo, marbles and pebbles, isagol nato silang duha, ma-identify gyapon nato asa ang hulin dito, asa pud ang mga bato nga gagmay. Okay. Okay, unsa man na siya nga belongs nga mixture. Nana siya sa heterogeneous mixture. Kung si nuts and crackers, isagol nato silang duha, makita pa ba nato ang nuts? O pwede ba nato gyapon mapunit si nuts o pwede pa gyapon mapunit si crackers? Makita gyapon nato silang duha nga substances. So, mauning gitawag gyapon og heterogeneous mixture. Okay. Kani siya in liquid form ni siya ha kaning duha, cooking oil and water. So they're both in liquid form. So si cooking oil o si water gitawag na siya heterogeneous mixture. Kaya og ihalo nato si cooking oil sa water, mag-form man siya og two layers. So ano na si cooking oil mo mulutaw, tapos si water kay mag-sink siya, magpailalom siya sa bottom sa sa glass. O ang ano na siya, heterogeneous mixture na siya, children. Okay, si sand and water. Isagol, ibutang nato ning balas sa tubig, makita gyapon nato ang substance nga sand. So, heterogeneous mixture na siya. Unlike with 3-in-1 coffee, kay dili gyud nato sila makita kaganina, so moto gitawag siya og homogeneous. Kani mga heterogeneous ni siya diri kay maklaro pa nato ang substance nga gisagol didto. Okay, let's go to mixed nuts is okay kani siya o tanawan ninyo no gihalo gi mix nato ni halo nato ni nga mga substance. Unsa ni siya nga unsa man ni mga gitawag diri nga gipang halo-halo. So mixed nuts is an example of heterogeneous mixture with the following substances that can easily be seen. Number 1, unsa ni naa diri na siya peanuts, naapod siya green peas, naapod siya corn chips, o naapod siya corn bits, o naapod siya curls. So, maskin paghihalo na diha tanan ang ulima ka mga substances, but still we can easily identify the green peas, the beans, the corn chips. So, naan ni siya gitawag ni siya og heterogeneous mixture. Okay? So, unta kuan ninyo di mo malibog no sa heterogeneous o sa homogeneous mixture. Okay, next. Tanawa sa inyong module sa what's more. Ata sa what's more. Okay, sa activity 1, exploring mixture. After learning about the types of mixture, it is your time to identify the type and substances present in the following example. Doing this task would help you understand the concepts you have read so you can provide your own example of mixture present in your household. The first item is done for you to serve as an example. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin. Okay, so di ara. Mo ni siya ang table, children, no? Kaganina, di ba natay 3-in-1 coffee? So, first, in our table, we have here the mixture, type of mixture, and also the components. Unsa ang mga components nga naa diha sa mixture? Sa 3-in-1 coffee, unsa man ang type of mixture? Gitawag to siya og homogeneous mixture. Sorry na, mali ni siya pagkasulat ha. So, 3-in-1 coffee, ang type of mixture kay homogeneous mixture. So, unsa ang naa diha sa 3-in-1 coffee? Pure coffee, the creamer, o of course, the water. Pwede po siya ibutang dira sugar. Okay, so this time, number 2, diri na ta, orange juice. Unsa ni siyang type of mixture ang orange juice? This is what we call homogeneous. Anong homogeneous man is si orange juice? Depende sa imong components sa gibutang. Kay kung ang imong gibutang kay powdered juice, powdered orange juice, so dili na gyud mo maklaro kung asa na ang powdered orange juice niya. But kung ang imong ibutang dira kay katong orange jud nga prutas nga imuhang i-squeeze dira sa tubig, naa na siya sa ang type nga mixture diya kay heterogeneous kay naa may pulp na makita. Okay? Sabtan ninyo ko. So sa orange juice depende siya ha kung unsa inyong gigamit nga ah, orange juice powdered ba or katong pure gyud nga kanang prutas. Kay og powdered orange juice ang imong gigamit, dili na siya ma-identify kay wala man gyud mag-float ana di wala gyud mulutaw diha. So ma-mix na gyud na siya all together all throughout sa water. So mauna siyang type of mixture ani niya kay homogeneous mixture. So water, powdered juice, o pwede po ng ice siguro diha. So tapos diri na ta. Diri number 3. Buko salad. Unsa ni nga klase nga mixture ang buko salad? So kay daghan man siya o makita man nimo noon. Buko pandan, kanang buko gyud ana tapos natadi kuko na sirgatas. So naani siya ang types of mixture ani kay heterogeneous mixture. Unsa ang components nga naa diri sa buko salad? Naa siya pandan, naa siya buko, naa siya natadi kuko, o naapod siya milk, naapod siya coconut water katong tubig mismo sa buko. Mo na siya component sa buko salad. Okay? Buko salad heterogeneous mixture kay makita man nato pagkahagag sagol o kita dyan nato ang mga mixture diri children. So let's go to number 4, pizza. So kaon na ba mo pizza children? So lamig ni pizza no. So ang pizza children because we can easily identify dara o makita nato ang mga mixture sa pizza. So ang type of mixture ni ana kay heterogeneous mixture. What are the components of pizza? Number 1, of course, ang flour nga gigamit sa dough ni ana. Tapos, ang cheese ug ham nga gitoppings. Of course, ang tomato or tomato sauce ba ni ana. So, mao na siya ang mga components nga para sa pagbuhat sa pizza. So, makita man nato. So, naa siya sa type of mixture kay heterogeneous mixture siya. Okay? Dali mo malibog kung namin mga pangutana, i-text na ko sa GC kung namin mga pangutana about sa itong lesson karon. Okay. So, number 5, egg sandwich. Unsa man ang type of mixture ani? So, heterogeneous mixture, kay makita na to, klaro kaayo siya ang mixture sa egg sandwich. Components are egg, lettuce, bread, and mayonnaise. Okay. So, heterogeneous siya. Seawater. Seawater kay homogeneous mixture. If you can see, dagat ra jud na siya, wala gyud na siya kuan makita nga unsa nga nabaday asin, nabaday tubig. So paano gyud siya makita nato kay dagat lang no. So ang seawater is of course homogeneous and the components are water and salt. Okay. Let's go to number 7. Milk. Milk is a homogeneous mixture. If you can see o makita naman jud nato sa picture nga dili nato maklaro no. Murag isa ra jud siya. So milk is homogeneous mixture. What are the components? Water, powdered milk. Okay. Water and powdered milk ang components sa sa milk, and it is mixed. Ang kind of mixture niya is homogeneous mixture. Number 8, sand and gravel. Sand and gravel is heterogeneous mixture. Kaya makita man nato ang mga bato, mga sand, makita nato di ano. Okay, components, sand, gravel. Okay, sand and gravel of course. Number 9, iced tea. Saman ang mixture sa iced tea. Homogeneous mixture. Ang component in making iced tea kay ang water, powdered iced tea. Okay. And of course, sugar. So, number 10 is chicken adobo. Very delicious. Unsa man ning chicken adobo? Unsa ni siya nga klase nga mixture or types of mixture? Heterogeneous mixture. Kay heterogeneous mixture, ang component ani kay of course chicken, na ay soy sauce, na ay vinegar, na ay onion, garlic, and other. So, mas kinasagol siya dito, children, sa adobo, but still, makita gyapon nato asa ang garlic dito, onion. Ang soy sauce, vinegar, din nato naman determine. Pero, pag isagol sila, murag, ang kadaghanan dito kay maklaro ka nato ang mga sagol. So, heterogeneous mixture siya, class. Okay. Next. Okay. What I have learned sa inyong module, pakitanaw please, children. Okay, these are the concepts and ideas that you have learned and all the different types of mixtures that surround you. 1. Mixtures are common occurrence in our everyday lives. It involves the air we breathe, the food and drink we consume, and the fabrics we wear. So, ang mixture kay common na jud kay ini nga makita nato or ma-encounter nato siya everyday sa atong kinabuhi, no? Usab pod ang hangin nga ato ang gilanghap, mga pagkaon kada adlaw magkaon man jud ta, mag-inom. So, mixture gihapon na, children. And also ang kanang sinina nga atong gisuot kada adlaw, mabilong po na siya sa mixture. Okay, mixture can contain solid, liquid, and gases. Okay. So, kaning mixture kay na ano ni siya, pwede ni siya, ang contain ani kay pwede ni siya ma-solid, liquid, o gas pod. Mixture come in different types where some can be easily separated and others require special equipment. Ang mixture na siya mga klase-klase nga mga different types o mga klase-klase nga mga types, no, nga kanang madali lang siya nga ma-separate, pero ang other mixture kay kailangan pa siya og mga special equipment para siya maunsa kanang ma-separate. Number 4, mixtures are not fixed and therefore each element keeps its own properties and can be separated back into its composition. Okay, dili fix ang mixture. Naapoy mga ang elements sa mixture nga nag-own siya o properties, ma-separate nato siya, pwede po siya mabalik dito sa iyang kaugalingon po na komposisyon. Okay? Like sugar and water. Pag mabalik na siya sugar, pag i-boil nato, naanay heat added diha para mabalik siya sa composition. Pero ma-discuss na nato siya later, children, sa ato ang topic, pero dili dari sa separating mixture na siya. Okay, number 5. There are two types of mixture. What are they? Homogeneous mixture and of course, heterogeneous mixture. Okay, let's proceed. And what I have learned again. Number 6. A homogeneous mixture has the same uniform appearance throughout. The components of a homogeneous mixtures and are uniformly distributed throughout the mixture. The composition of the mixture is the same throughout. Number 7. Okay, ang homogeneous mixture, uniform gina ang appearance ana. So, maskin pag unsa atong ihalo, nga di gyud na siya maklaro kung asa dito ang substance nga atong gihalo or composition nga atong gihalo. So, evenly distributed gyud ang iyahang pagkakuan sa composition, so mo nang dili nato siya maklaro ang substance. Mo na siya gitawag nga homogeneous mixture. Number 7. A heterogeneous mixture consists of visibly different substances or phases. The various substances are visible since there are different phases taking place among the parts. Also, the components are not uniform or have localized regions with different properties. Mutong giingon nako ang heterogeneous mixture maskin unom or pulo pa na ka substance nga imuhang gisagol diha gimix mo all together, but makita lang gyapon nato ang asa dito ang phases or substances nga gisagol nato. Okay? So, let's proceed. Okay, naatay trivia diri children. Foam is a mixture of gas in a liquid. An aerosol is a mixture of a liquid in a gas. And a fire extinguisher is a mixture that contains different chemicals depending on the application. Okay, next. What I can do. So, tanawan niyo mga module ninyo sa what I can do. At this point, you have clearly understood mixtures. Let us apply what you have learned into real-life situations. Doing this activity will help you find connections on what you usually do while we are on quarantine. Generally, we just stay at home doing household chores and errands by our parents. Let's find out the mixture we are dealing with every day. You need to find the example of mixture in the word. Search below. Encircle the mixtures you will find in the box. After, you need to classify it as a homogeneous or heterogeneous mixture. Just write it on the table provided. Are you ready? And let's begin. Okay, so mauni siya children o tanawa. These are the words that you need to search in the box. So, sa box, children, daghan kay siya mga letters. So, ang ato pangitaon na word kay ang word na, of course, ang ginagamit kaayo karon, alcohol. O dyan siya na, yun ta always dala alcohol pag mulakaw ta. Oil, ginagamit nato na siya sa pagluto, pagkaon sa kusina, no? Oil, spaghetti. So, muni ang bida every birthday nato na dyan spaghetti. Water, everyday nato ginainom, dapat mag-drink tag water 8 glasses a day. Macaroni, sarap. Pizza, soup, kanang sabaw, milk, salad, and vinegar. So, pangitaon na to diri at children sa daghan kaayong mga letters kung asa diri dapit ang mga words nga iyahang ipa-search sa tua. Okay, number 1, alcohol. Asa dapit si alcohol? Okay, alcohol. There you are. Tapos oil. Asa si oil? There you are, si oil. The next is spaghetti. Okay, na si spaghetti didapit sa tunga. Then, water. Asa si water? Okay, all of this are mixture children. Water. Next is macaroni. Then, atong pangitaon si pizza. Pizza, then si soup. Ay, si soup, hindi mo siya maklaro, but soup natin sa taas banda children ha. Then milk, asa si milk, there you are milk. Salad, very sarap si salad. The next is vinegar. Okay, congratulations. Nakitaan dyan din ang mga words, bisan pa man sa pagkadaghan ng mga letters, nagisagol-sagol, but still, we can find all the words that we need to search in the box. Okay, so let's proceed, children. Okay, based on the words na atong gipangita dito sa daghan kay mga letters, i-identify na pud nato sila, no? Kung asa dito si homogeneous o si heterogeneous. Okay, number 1, ang si homogeneous, kay, of course, si oil, si vinegar, alcohol, si water, o si milk. Muna siya homogeneous mixtures based on the word dito nga nakita nato sa daghan kaayong mga letters. Si heterogeneous na pod, kay mooto sila si salad, si spaghetti, pizza, si macaroni, o si soup. Okay. Muna siya children, homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Okay, check ang inyong papel kung tama ang inyong answer. Okay, so let's go to the assessment. Assessment na ta, children. Okay, the direction. This is multiple choice. Choose the letter of the best answer. Write the chosen letter on a separate sheet of paper. Number 1. This type of mixture has a uniform appearance all throughout. Its components are not recognizable and are evenly mixed. Letter A, heterogeneous. Letter B, homogeneous. C, solid in liquid. And D, solid in gas. Okay, what is your answer? Answer for this is letter B, homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous. Number 2, next. This type of mixture has components that do not blend all throughout. It consists of visible different substances or phases. Okay, A, heterogeneous. B, homogeneous. C, solid in liquid. D, solid in gas. The correct answer for this is letter A, heterogeneous. Okay, number 3. In a homogeneous mixture, the components are blank. A, non-uniform. C, recognizable. B, observable. And letter D, unrecognizable. Correct answer is letter D, unrecognizable. So, di na ninyo maklaro kung asa dito ang substance ng inyong gisagol. Number 4. In a heterogeneous mixture, the different components are A, unified. B, uniform. C, recognizable. D, unrecognizable. Answer is letter C, recognizable. Okay, number 5. Parents mix peanuts, green peas, and peel nuts in a small glass jar. Which of the statement is true about the mixture produced? A, the mixture is homogeneous. B, the mixture is heterogeneous. C, the components of the mixture are unrecognizable. D, the components of the mixture cannot be seen easily. Correct answer is the mixture is heterogeneous. When parents mix all the substances like the green peas, the pili nuts into a glass jar, but still we can easily see the mixture. The mixture is heterogeneous. Okay, number 6. What can you infer when you try to mix salt and oil? The oil and the salt mix well together. B, the salt can dissolve a little bit of the oil. Letter C, the salt sinks into the bottom of the mixture. D, the oil instantly dissolve the salt in the mixture. Answer is letter C, the salt sinks into the bottom of the mixture. Okay, number 7. Which of the following is not an example of a heterogeneous mixture? A, halo-halo. B, milk and nuts. C, sand and pebbles. D, vinegar and soy sauce. The correct answer for this is letter D, vinegar and soy sauce. Number 8. Which of the following is an example of a homogeneous mixture? A, alcohol. B, blood. C, detergent. D, salad. Answer is alcohol. Homogeneous mixture. 9. What conclusion can you draw if a vinegar is mixed in soy sauce? Vinegar blank. A is seen on top of the soy sauce. B is evenly mixed in the soy sauce. C is dissolved in soy sauce. D settles in soy sauce. Right answer for this is letter B is evenly mixed in soy sauce. Next, number 10. Which of the following mixture are used for food consumption? A. Lotion, shampoo, toothpaste. B. Ice cream, noodles, paracetamol. C. Paracetamol, muriatic acid, soap. And D. Halo-halo ice cream and sandwiches. Right answer for this is letter D. Okay, alright. Thanks for watching, children. And if you like this video, please like, share, and of course, subscribe. Thank you very much and See you next time. Bye-bye.